I'm Arpita. I'm going to teach you the lesson timelines. From this lesson, I have selected the subtopic arranging events and history. Dear students, as we all know that in our day-to-day life, we do many activities. From morning till evening, if we start count our activities, what we do in a day, we may get more than 100 activities. Morning when we wake up, we brush our teeth, we drink a glass of milk, few will go for a walk, few will join their grandparents, your grandparents will read newspaper, mama cooks in the kitchen, isn't it? Like this we do many activities. Now I have listed out few activities. Let's read those activities which students do in their life. Let me present those activities. Here I selected few activities. Let me read. Brush my teeth, playtime, go to bed, go to school, come from school, complete my homework. After brushing your teeth morning, do you go to play? After playing morning, do you go to bed? When I read out these activities, I felt these activities are not arranged in an systematic order. Let me put these activities in an order. Let me arrange these activities in an order. So look at here. I arranged these activities in order. Let me read out. Brush my teeth, go to school, come from school, playtime, complete my homework, and go to bed. So now when I read out these activities, I get to know that what I did first, then what followed, and so on. Isn't it? First, brush my teeth, then go to school. Then, after coming from school, I played for some times, then completed my homework, then go to bed. See now, I got to know the activity which I did first, then activity which followed the other activities. Through this activity, what I understood that it is very important to arrange the activities in a order. Not only the activities. See, this is the activities which we do in our life. Already, some activities, some events have happened. How to arrange those events or those activities in a order? Who help us to arrange those activities or those events in order? Do you have a question in your mind? Yes, I have this question in my mind. This is the day-to-day activities we can arrange in a order. But the activities or the events which happened already, how do we arrange? Who help us to arrange? How do we know those activities? We have, we can arrange those activities by the help of uh, history. Do you know what is history? Let me teach you. Look at here. I have listed few events which we celebrate in our school. We celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on October 2. Recently we celebrated Kannada Rajyotsava on November 1st. Then we are going to celebrate Republic Day in January 26th. How do I know these events? These events is a past events, isn't it? Independence Day we got in 1947, but I know about this Independence Day. How do I know? Because I studied about these past events in the book. So what do we call? The study of the past event is already the past events have been recorded. I studied those past events and I still remember, and we celebrate those past events. So, the record of past events and the study of past event is called as history. So, what is history? History is a study of past events. Who helped us to study? Who recorded these past events? What do we call that person? The person one who is going to record the past event is called as historian. What do we call? We call it as historians. So, history is the study of past events, and the person one who is going to write about the past event is called as historian. So, the event which I listed and which we celebrate in our school, these are the events, these are the past events. The historians have recorded these past events in a chronological order. See, I have written these past events with the date because I took the help of history. I collected the information, I collected the date. So it helps me to write the events along with the date, and I arrange this event according to the time. So through this we understood that it is there are different ways of arranging an activity or events. So to arrange the past events we can take the help of historians. So if we see the history book, we can collect more information about the past events which has been already recorded in a chronological order. So it is very important to arrange the activities or order with the time. So what do we call by arranging the events, past events in a particular manner or with the particular period? What do we call? How can we arrange these past events? These questions will get answered in the next class. So in the next class, we'll learn about how do we arrange the past events in a correct column. So what do we call arrangement of event, past event? This we'll learn in the next class. Thank you, children.